Here I go again. Y'all wanna see something really cool? Wait till you see this. These things come with 19 plates and fibers from the factory, the clutches. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, come on, 17, 18, 19, 20, god dang it, 21. What the hell? See, I told you, 21 plates and fibers. It's supposed to only have 19. What is that? That's 10% more clutch. I'll take it. 10% less wear, 10% less time I gotta take that clutch cover off, 10% more grab, 10% more everything, and 10% less of everything, if you know what I mean. I'll take it. And I know some people are gonna say, oh, you added rotational mass to the blah, blah, blah. Shit. Just go on a diet.